pero mabigat ang responsibility mo. Oh, pag ma-flat, ready ka maging presidente. Oh, yan, that's the, so yan ang paghandaan. Any other questions?
Ito na lang po sa drug war probe. Paano po ba magiging structure? It will be the Blue Ribbon, it's go a subcommittee, and then when do you plan to start? Ano po ang inyong magiging focus?
Ito po yung nalaman kong plano, no? Kasi naka-break ang Senado ngayon. Ang rules namin, only the Senate Blue Ribbon can hold hearings even if walang referral from the plenary. So yun. So yun ang ina-apply yata ni SP Cheese na rule. Kung gusto ng ibang senador na magka-hearing kami during the break, only the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee can do it. But what is the, kung yung chairman or chairperson ng Senate Blue Ribbon has no time during this